listeners. That is, I'm Kumar Sanjay, working as Director Niti Aayog. Okay. Good afternoon to everybody. आप सभी लोगों को नमस्कार और मेरे सीनियर्स दो जो अभी just has given the talk on the services and the technologies. So they already have covered everything. हाँ, तो मेरे लिए बचा नहीं, उन लोगों ने मेरा काम ऑलरेडी कर दिया है. फिर भी आई विल ट्राई टू गिव समथिंग, सम इनपुट टू यू.
कॉपीराइट का वायलेशन तो नहीं हुआ?
बिल्कुल नहीं करूंगा. तो ये जो है अभी जस्ट मैं शेयर स्क्रीन करना चाह रहा हूं. The screen is visible?
It's visible, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. So my topic is services in the ministerial libraries of Government of India, present and future. The past also. The past, भी past की बात करने के बजाय जो हम ऐसा करते हैं कि भाई past it means to say that I want to tell about that past has a glory for the library. That glory was that everyone wants to use the library at that time. Everyone wants to use that library because library was the most important center in every institution, organization, and whatever that. But anyway, before moving ahead, I want to quote one quotation by Mahatma Gandhi. That is, constant development is the law of life. And a man who always tries to maintain his dogmas in order to appear consistent drives himself into a false position. So this quotation certainly clears some picture that we have to move from one point to another point. हमेशा जो है डेवलपमेंट में मूव करते रहना है. जैसे कि कहा जाता है कि बदलाव प्रकृति का नियम है. So we have to change and we have to adopt the new environment according to the situation. तारिक साहब ने बोला कि मैंने लाइब्रेरी, उन्होंने बहुत सारा डाटा दिया, उस डाटा के आधार पे ये कहते हैं लाइब्रेरी जो है गूगल मैंने को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकती. राइट? Library, when it is a storehouse, then certainly it will not replace. When it will become a knowledge center and the library professionals are there, then certainly it will replace. So library or librarian will certainly replace the Google when we are working as the knowledge manager rather than a storekeeper. हो क्या गया है कि हम लोग जो है लाइब्रेरी प्रोफेशनल अपने आप को एज ए स्टोर कीपर समझ के कि डॉक्यूमेंट्स को मैनेज करना है, उसको जैसे स्टोर मैनेजमेंट होता है वैसे जो है लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट उसको स्टोर करना है, और इंफॉर्मेशन उनको ये किताब चाहिए, किताब दे देनी है. उससे मुझे हटना होगा. वी हैव टू कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट. जो आज से कितने साल पहले जो पहले बताया गया था और एसडीआई सर्विस जो एचपी ल्यून ने दिया था, दैट इज वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड और करंट अवेयरनेस सर्विस वी हैव टू गिव. हाउ कैन आई गिव इट? बिकॉज वी शुड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ all the record, all the information available in the library. We should have a knowledge कि क्या और कहाँ है, किस जगह है. कोई सपोज कीजिए कि एक डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर में है, तो बट whenever we will see the document, then we will be able to answer those questions. इसलिए पहले जो होता था दैट इज रेडी रेफरेंस सर्विस, लॉन्ग रेंज रेफरेंस सर्विस, उसका कंटेक्स्ट आज भी है, लेकिन वी हैव ऑलरेडी फॉरगॉटन दोस कॉन्टेक्स्ट, और अभी हमारा काम हो गया बुक देना लेना। और आज के ई रिसोर्सेज के पार्ट में क्या है कि वी जस्ट प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विस, दैट इज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कि हाँ हमने परचेज किया, यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड दे दिया, आवर वर्क इज ओवर। So the present situation is this one. Each and every library जो है वो एक अलग इंटेटिव के तौर पे काम करता है। कोई ऑलरेडी अभी तक, जैसे गवर्नमेंट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट लाइब्रेरीज, सो गवर्नमेंट वाले पार्ट में आप देखेंगे कि वो अकेला अपना कर रहा है, वो अभी कंप्यूटराइज मतलब ऑटोमेटेड लाइब्रेरी है भी नहीं है। कुछ ऑटोमेटेड है बट उनका किसी दूसरे ऑटोमेटेड वाले से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है। दे ऑल आर डूइंग सेपरेटली। अगर उनके पास कोई कमी है, दे विल नॉट एबल टू कॉन्टेक्ट अदर लाइब्रेरीज। सो कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है, देयर इज लैक ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन अमंग द लाइब्रेरीज। So this is the structure, you can say, present library system. And how can we survive? अभी आप देखेंगे बहुत जगह जो है मिनिस्ट्रीज में जो पहले लाइब्रेरी हुआ करता था धीरे धीरे बंद हो गया है, या लाइब्रेरी प्रोफेशनल के जगह पे उसको कोई और चला रहा है, बिकॉज द लाइब्रेरी प्रोफेशनल who were working previously has not make the importance of the library to the officers or other staff. तो उनको लगा भाई इसकी जरूरत क्या है। अगर हम अपने इंपॉर्टेंस को, अपने महत्व को बता सकें, देन इट विल बी बेटर, अदरवाइज तो संभव नहीं है। तो हमने जो है वो क्या कि अगर पहले बता दिए रहते तो अभी जितनी बंद हो गई हैं वो बंद नहीं होती और खुलती। There are so many libraries in the ministries which are not completely automated till this time also. So you just see each individual ministry has its own in-house library system, own localized database repository hosted in our own data center, and the important reports, papers, books used by ministerial staff. और ये केवल स्मॉलर ग्रुप के अंदर में, जैसे कि मान लीजिए एक ऑफिस में है, वही ऑफिस के लोग उसको यूज कर रहे हैं, that internal to the ministry. The other officers, the officers working in other ministry, not able to get the documents from the other ministry. So the, you can say, utilization of the resources, और जो first law है वो इसको वायलेट करता है, that is books are for use. So we have to, because resources पड़े हुए हैं और यूज नहीं हो रहा है। सबके अपने अपने राह हैं। ये लाइब्रेरी, एक्स मिनिस्ट्री की जो लाइब्रेरी है वो अपने रास्ते पे चल रहा है, वाई मिनिस्ट्री की लाइब्रेरी अपने रास्ते पे चल रहा है। तो ये दिक्कत है। लिमिटेशन क्या है? Each library systems are isolated from other library system in union ministries. They have no uniform catalog system. Inefficient way of discovery of resources leads to rework or reproduction of content and report. Inefficient and ineffective way of sharing resources leads to duplicity of library resources. So these are the limitations you will find in the present library system and the ministries of Government of India. So what is this? We have to change. We have to transform ourselves. We have to transform the library. But you know, the transformation of libraries cannot happen without a transformation of governance. And governance from the root level to the top level. Root level, it means to say, that is the officers or the staff working in the library, the managerial staff of the library, and the committee level, and the decision-making level. So the transformation of libraries cannot happen without transformation of governance, and the governance cannot happen without a transformation in mindset. My view is that library professional who is working in the library has to change their mindset. Okay, attitude में उनको एक ट्रेनिंग उस टाइप की देनी है जिस टाइप की they have to give the services. So transformation in mindset cannot happen without transformative ideas, and transformative ideas cannot happen without knowledge management. It means to say the library professionals who is working, they should have to work like a knowledge manager, not a storekeeper. You know, the survival. मतलब क्या? We have to change ourselves. We have to adopt the changes rapidly. You know, the Charles Darwin told that it's not the strongest of the species that survive, not the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. So, आप ये कह सकते हो कि library professional बहुत intelligent है, but the new technology, if you are not able to adopt the new technology, it must say that you will not able to survive in the present environment in the near future. So it's required that you have to change change. If we say services and the quality of services versus, you can say, directly proportional to the teamwork. It is directly proportional. So when team, that is library professional team, work is very good, qualitative, the service of the quality will increase. So output, the services, quality of services output or the teamwork output, both become, you can say, one side will increase, then other side will also increase. So quality of service is directly proportional to the teamwork, and you can say the library staff working in the library intelligently. You know that none of us is as smart as all of us. So it's required the teamwork, the team spirit. Without team spirit, you will not able to give the quality input. So these are the present situation and required part, which I have told you. The future system. Future system, it means to say that each and every libraries in the ministries should use single system of software as well as coordination among all the libraries and the common interface, so that real-time updation of library catalog or the resources available in the library may be utilized by all officers working in the Government of India. You know that this is the project which is going on. Our senior Upadhyay Sahab is also working on this project, but let us see when it will be happened. We don't know. It totally depends upon the policymaker, but we have tried to give the importance of the library in the government. Let us see what will happen. So what are the driving factors? Why it was decided this one? That is to minimize the duplicity of resources, to reduce the infrastructure cost, to reduce resource procurement cost, online access to informed catalog of resources to everyone. By this one, by doing this, you can say when real-time union catalog will develop, then it will not be for the only officers working in the ministries. It will open to all. The research scholars who are working, who are doing, you can say PhD or MPhil research scholars who are doing the research work in any topic, it might be possible they require the documents, the reports, which are not available somewhere else and it is available in the ministerial library. However, because they haven't the knowledge whether this document is available at which place. They have the difficulties to locate the document. Therefore, it will help throughout the world to the user community. Faster and timely access of resources. Make resources available anybody, anywhere and anytime through web and mobile app. Collaboration needs among ministries. It is required. Role of library professional. I have already told you the transformation will require the change in the mindset. So we have to change the mindset of ourselves. We have to move from the background to the center of the organization, so that we should become, you can say, knowledge professional. We should not work like only the, you can say, provider of user ID and password and the documents. The contents required by the user, we have to give them information, right? Like that. So they should be able to extract, filter, and disseminate vital external knowledge. They will work with users in collecting and analyzing strategic intelligence, and to act as trainers and consultants who transfer knowledge gathering and research skill throughout the organization. What I am doing presently in my library, that we are providing the information, the document, the content within the, you can say, document, from the document, on the internet, through email, telephone, physically, whatever that. We will provide the remote access facility for all the resources, that is electronic resources, and give them facility, you can say, single platform search. Created mobile app for the accessing of e-resources, and using social media tools to provide the information at any time. So whether it is Saturday, Sunday, or mid, you can say, night, I receive a WhatsApp message for any information or resources. This type of information, whether I will find in this module of this CMI, किस में ये मिलेगा, कहाँ मिलेगा. So I will try to that, provide the information instantly whenever I will get. Future plan जो अभी काम कर रहे हैं, इन द हमारे गाइड भी हैं उसमें उपाध्याय सर. That is networking बना रहे हैं. That is the future plan. Networking, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया लाइब्रेरी नेटवर्क, जिसमें कि सारे मिनिस्ट्रीज को एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे जोड़ा जाए. All information, e-resources, content within the libraries at a single digital location and in a common format. Design a common uniform catalog of resources across ministries. Creation of centralized union government repository of documents, reports of various ministries. Creation of single web portal for two different portals, that is one for institutional repository and one for union catalog, and for this one e-resources. And try to increase the usability of the resources in the library. What are the advantages for this one? Advantages are a huge efficiency gain in terms of time and money. Using cloud infrastructure and single software that is open source for bulk users will save approximately 80% of the cost actually spent at present by various ministries. Any officer of one ministry will get the permission to access documents of another ministry through their own library system. The researcher, intellectual who have restriction, consult the reports, documents after knowing the availability of reports in particular ministry, which I have already told you, that researchers who is doing the research from different universities, they may be able to get this इंफॉर्मेशन, अच्छा ये रिपोर्ट वहां पे अवेलेबल है, उस लाइब्रेरी में अवेलेबल है. Resource sharing and resource optimization allow library to innovate, collaborate, and share in ways they can do in isolation. So these are the activities which we will do that will certainly increase the library services and the interest of the users in the library. Okay, library जो है कुछ ना कुछ कर रही है, कुछ information दे रही है. So certainly they will appreciate the work of the library.
Kumar Sanjay ji, can you please keep in mind the timings also?
Okay. So these are the advantages. The another objective is one government, one library. In the ministry's part, my objective is one government, one library. Okay. So by saying this one, and we will work on to achieve the one government, one library in the ministries. One library, not to say that एक ही library होगी. Library अलग building में हो सकती है, but उसका platform, that is, you can say one government, one library platform. By conclusion, I can say that the strength of library services lies in library professionals working in the library. Even if only 50% of library staff decide to transform the services, the library and library professional becomes important in the every community. So thank you very much.